Hey there and welcome to the JavaScript for Complete Beginners series. My name is Tony and I'll be guiding you through as we dive into the exciting world of web development with JavaScript. This video series is designed specifically for those who are just starting out with programming and want to learn JavaScript from scratch. By the end of this series, you'll have a solid foundation in JavaScript fundamentals, enabling you to start a career as a junior developer or continue learning for more advanced topics. Throughout the series, we'll be covering a range of topics including basic JavaScript syntax, variables, control flow, functions, arrays, objects, and much more. I'll be showing you code snippets on the screen and explaining exactly what they do and how they work. Make sure to follow along and practice on your own, as that's the best way to learn and retain new concepts. The series is structured into short, bite-sized videos, each focusing on a specific topic. This makes it easier for you to find and concentrate on subjects that interest you the most. Here's a quick overview of the videos we'll be covering. Introduction to programming and JavaScript, basic JavaScript syntax and variables, conditional statements and loops, functions and scopes, arrays and objects, document object model, DOM manipulation, working with JSON and Fetch APIs, asynchronous programming, best practices and debugging, and then we're also going to go through the next step and resources to help you get that job. I encourage you to take your time and work through this series at your own pace. Don't hesitate to rewatch any videos or practice the examples as many times as you need to feel confident in your understanding. So, are you ready to start your journey into JavaScript? I'll see you in the next video where I'll introduce programming and JavaScript.